Okay, guys, I got the CC cosmetic, and it. Huh? Wait, what the flip? That looks like a woobly. That's right, guys. We have brand new wooblies. We have the. What the flip? That's mean. I wanted you in my video. Okay, guys, we have brand new wooblies. This is the alien one because one person commented they wanted an alien woobly. So we got the alien woobly. That's yours. That's yours. Here's the woobly. Here is, but oh no, that was a secret. Why did that? That's right, guys. I actually threw in a bonus one, and this is the Yeep woobly, our first official collaboration. So let me just show you the differences between these two. First, we'll start with the alien one. I gave the alien 3 eyes and 2 pairs of antennas. As well as that, their skin is perfectly green. That's the alien one. Pretty simple. You hate me. Second, we have this. This one has a few more changes than the other ones. First of all, to match the cartoony look, I made the eyes a little bit bigger. Second change is that, if you may or may not have noticed, they have no legs. That's because Yeeps have no leg. So yes, now there are four official. Also, I made this one literally the day after when I made the video, but I just didn't post a video. I was making one where I made one, but where I made this, but that got scrapped. But if you watch the advertisement, you'll see this guy's in it. So now, no longer 2 variations. There are now 4. Dun dun dun! These wooblies are going to take over your world very soon. So please buy them whenever you see me. So they're not in the community world because the community world is dead.